In 2023, newsletters gained popularity compared to YouTube, Instagram, and other platforms due to the absence of account blocking risks and the ability to directly own subscriber emails. While some say it's too late to start or the newsletter market is oversaturated, email newsletter businesses remain attractive. The key advantage is that anyone can start a business with minimal capital and quickly generate steady income. There are two important points for newsletter success. The first is selecting a niche market, and the second is proposing services or products that match that niche. For example, in the diet meal market, niche markets would target specific segments like keto diet, carnivore, or vegetarian, and you can find and partner with companies that make products suitable for each diet or receive advertisements to provide services or products. In this case, you can attract advertisers with 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers, and the more specific the niche, the fewer subscribers needed to receive sponsorship. Since newsletters are one-way communication, you can improve engagement by first thinking from the reader's perspective, writing about perceived problems, and providing solutions together. Engagement affects open rates and click rates, which are crucial factors in determining advertising contract rates. Even for two channels with the same number of subscribers, the newsletter's value can differ by 2 or 3 times due to these two elements. Raising engagement is the process of converting general subscribers to high-quality subscribers. Methods to increase engagement include providing immediate rewards upon subscription. For example, this could be an Excel file organizing useful data or a guidebook with immediately applicable content, which can be created as a PDF and attached to the welcome email to increase subscriber engagement. To create a newsletter template, you can get design and composition inspiration from successful newsletters. Essential sections to include are introduction, curation, advertising, main content, outro, and survey. Creating a consistent workflow and continuously publishing content is important. The main content section should be 500 to 1,000 words, readable within 3 to 5 minutes for good readability. Newsletter publication frequency is recommended to start at 1 to 2 times per week, transitioning to daily newsletters when becoming a full-time business. The crucial point is consistency. When changing to daily newsletters, readers become more demanding, so transition is recommended only when sustainable full-time. When growing subscribers from zero, there are free and paid strategies. Free strategies involve sharing newsletter excerpts on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter, reusing content to induce subscriptions. This helps reduce initial financial risks. Paid strategies use Facebook and Twitter ads, with Facebook benefiting from user-generated content and Twitter helping target B2B customers. Most people tend to postpone starting because they want to start perfectly, but the most important thing is to start now. The best approach is to grow quickly, provide high-quality information, and build trust, during which you can optimize templates and writing. The most important resource is time, and the most efficient way to utilize it is to start quickly. Personally, I believe the starting point for paid advertising is when you reach 1,000 subscribers for free. Until then, optimize and build trust with subscribers, and as you begin to develop loyal subscribers, the newsletter will naturally be shared. It's recommended to start monetization with at least 1,000 subscribers and begin paid advertising once you start generating even small revenues. Among paid advertising methods, Facebook ads are the fastest way to grow a newsletter. Use lead targeting and set website conversion as the campaign, and through A/B testing, slowly increase the ad budget by 20% every other day with the important principle of not ruining the optimized learning of the ad. So how can you start an email newsletter business? Before we dive into the examples, this channel is here to provide quick and essential insights for anyone looking to start or level up their newsletter business. If you're ready to succeed faster and with better odds than the rest, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. To start an email newsletter business, WordPress is a basic option, but using platforms is recommended for optimized workflow. 3 famous platforms are Beehiiv, ConvertKit, and Substack. By nurturing newsletters through these methods, you can introduce multiple business models for diversified revenue. Paid recommendations can earn $1 to $3 per subscriber promoting other newsletters. Gathering high-quality niche market information through paid newsletter subscriptions can generate stable monthly revenue around $50 to $100. Promoting services or products can earn advertising costs and referral sales. Lead generation through surveys can also be sold to advertisers or sponsors. Using a niche diet newsletter with 3,000 subscribers as an example, monthly income could break down as $600 from paid recommendations, $2 x 300 people, $3,200 from paid newsletters, $80 x 40 people, and approximately $6,000 from advertising and sales referrals, potentially generating $10,000 monthly cash flow. As mentioned, unlike other platforms with potential account suspension, consistently acquiring subscribers through free and paid marketing can maintain and steadily increase monthly income, making newsletters a strongly recommended business model.